Hello children, let's come back to our maths class. Today we are going to continue with exercise 7.3. In the previous class we have completed the first second sums from exercise 7.3. Yes, today we are going to continue with the third sum. So take down your classwork. Write down today's date and copy down the third sum from exercise 7.3. I hope you have completed all your works that I have given to you. Complete all your works and keep it ready. Okay, now let's take down the third sum from exercise 7.3, which is based on the factor theorem. So you have to solve x plus a, b, c, a, x plus b, c, a, b, x plus c is equal to 0. This is solved if this determinant is equal to 0. That means here the question is to find out the value for x. Okay, we have to find out what is the answer for x. So this is the determinant given to us: x plus a, b, c, a, x plus b, c, a, b, x plus c. Okay, now let's see how to proceed further. So what are we going to do here is, since I don't know any particular factor this side, I'll take a as, I'll start with x. Okay, I'll take x is equal to 0. First thing what I'll do, I'll take x is equal to 0. But now put x is equal to 0, the first step. So how are you going to start? You are going to take x as 0. So what I get here, if I put x is equal to 0, 0 plus a will give you a, this is b, this is c, because this is not dealing with x. Here now you get a, this is 0 plus b. So what is 0 plus b? B, this is c, this is a, b, 0 plus c, that is c. So I get here a, b, c, a, b, c, a, b, c. So I have all the three rows to be same, or you can say all the columns are same. So in this mention here, R1 is identical to R2 is identical to R3. So all the three rows are same. If all the three rows are same, I can say that the answer is equal to 0. So what is the answer for the determinant? The answer for the determinant is 0, and I have started x is equal to 0. Yes, so what I can say, x is a factor. So what I can mention here, x is a factor. Now I have told you if three rows are same, means you have to use this formula, x minus a the whole raised to r minus 1. So here x is a factor. Here I am not having anything with x. So just x is a factor, but you have to put r minus 1. So how many rows are same here? 3 rows are same. So 3 minus 1, 2. So you can just mention here, therefore x square is a factor. So we have just completed one part. We have substituted x is equal to 0. When you substitute x is equal to 0, you get a determinant where all the rows are same. So you can say that x square is a factor. Just complete this step. Okay, have you completed the step? Now let's go for the next substitution. So now what are we going to do here is, we are going to substitute x is equal to, we are going to substitute, or you can say put x is equal to minus a minus b minus c. Okay, I'm going to take x is equal to minus a. This is all our assumption. So you have to be very careful with the sums. You have to practice all the sums properly. Then only you come to know how to find the answers. So I'll take x as minus a minus b minus c. So let me substitute. Let me see what I get here. X is minus a minus b minus c. So wherever you have x, you have to put that. So minus a minus b minus c plus a. This is b. This is c as it is. Okay. And this is equal to. Just keep this as it is now. Then you have your a. Here this is x plus b. So minus a minus b minus c plus b. C, this is A, B, minus A, minus B, minus C plus minus A minus B minus C plus, okay, let's see what we get here. So minus A plus A gets cancelled, minus B plus B gets cancelled, minus C and plus C gets cancelled. So whatever is left, I will take down the step. So I will get, therefore I get minus B minus C, this is A, B, this is minus A minus C, this is C, minus A minus C. Just take all the steps. I get minus B minus C, A, B, minus A minus C, B, C, minus A minus B. Okay, have you completed? Now let's see what to do here. So now what I am going to do is I am going to change the first column. So I am going to write down here column 1 is going to change this column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. So we are going to change column 1 as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. So I am just going to add all to the first column. So I get minus B minus C plus B plus C. Column 1 is going to change this column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Then here it is as it is, here no changes. Minus B, this is B as it is, this is C as it is. Now here I get A, this is minus A minus C plus C. Keep this as it is. This is also as it is. Now here it becomes A plus B minus A minus B. A plus B minus A minus B. This is B here. This is minus A minus B. Okay, I have changed column 1 as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. I have given this. So what I get here, minus B plus B minus C plus C. This is A minus C plus C. A minus A plus B minus C. So I get all the columns, all the first column to be 0. So I get here 0. 0, 0, 0. This is B minus A minus C, B, C minus A minus C. This is equal to 0, B, C, 0, minus A minus C, C, 0, B, minus A minus B. Okay. Now just see here we have one column to be 0. So all the elements are 0. Yes. So we can say the answer is equal to 0 since first column, I will just say here, the first column is 0. So directly I will write down the answer as 0. So I have got the answer as 0. So I can say here, see when you just put x is equal to 0, you have taken that x is a factor. Now why I am writing x square? Because I have 3 rows to be identical. But here I don't have anything like that. So what I will do? Therefore, I start with x is equal to minus A minus B minus C. So I put x plus A plus B plus C is a factor. And write therefore, x plus A plus B plus C is a factor. Therefore, x plus A plus B plus C is a factor. So we got two factors. First one was x square is a factor, and the next one is x plus a plus b plus c is a factor. Okay, done. Now let's continue further. Now I have told you two things to note down. One is we have to find out the degree of the leading coefficients, and also we have to find out the degree of the product of factors. So let me talk about the degree of leading coefficients. So what was the question? The question was x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. So when I multiply this, I get x into x into x. So x cube. So what is the degree of the leading coefficient? 3. So degree of the leading coefficient is 3. Now let me find out the degree of the product of factors. So degree of product of factors is equal to, first I had x square, now I have x plus a plus b plus c. So again I get x cube. So the degree of the product of factor is 3. So I get the degree of product of factors as 3. So if I take the difference of this 2, if I take the difference of this 2, I get 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So therefore I get m is equal to 0. I have already given you this and the points to remember. So I have found the degree of the leading coefficient, which is 3, and also we have found the degree of the product of factors, which is 3. So what is the value for m here? M is equal to 0. If m is equal to 0, what is the other factor? The other factor is k. If you have 1, then we have another factor. If you have 2, then you have another factor. So what is the factor here you have to take? You have to take the factor as k. So I have just mentioned here another factor is k. Okay, so how I write down the step now? I write therefore determinant of a is equal to. So what is the factor we have found here? K. What is the first factor? X square. And what is it now? The second one you have found? X plus a plus b plus c. Okay. So this is what I will get. And I have to just get the value for k and I have to solve it further. So now determinant of a is equal to k x square x plus a plus b plus c. So I have to substitute some of the values for x, a, b, c so that I can get the value for k. Write down, put x is equal to 1, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2. This is just our assumption. X is equal to 1, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2. I have to substitute the values. So I am just going to put this value in the determinant and in the right hand side. So what was the determinant? The determinant was x plus a plus bc and a x plus b c ab x plus c. This is equal to k x square a plus x plus a plus b plus c. So this is what we have to do the substitution. So this was the determinant that was given to you in the question. That is determinant of x plus a, b, c, a, x plus b, c, a, b, x plus c, and have taken the right hand side as k, x square, x plus a plus b plus c. Okay, we have to just replace the values. We have taken the value for x as 1, a as 0, b as 1, c as 2. So just replace the values and try to simplify it and get the answer for k. So what I get here? This is 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, x plus b, so 1 plus 1, that is 2, c is 2, 0, 1, 3, x plus c is 3, 1 plus 2, 3. Now here I put this is equal to k, x square means 1 square, x plus a plus b plus c, x plus a plus b plus c. So x is 1, plus A is 0, B is 1, C is 2. So I have just substituted the values. So what I get here, this is 1 into 6 minus 2 minus 1. If you take this one, you have to neglect the rows and the columns. So I get 0 minus 0. So 0. So whole term becomes 0. Plus minus plus. So 2 here. So what I get here, 0 minus 0 again. So that becomes 0. This is equal to k into 1 will be k only. So I just keep it as k. This is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. I get here 4. Now this term is 0, this term is 0. So 1 into 4 is 4. So I get 4 is equal to 4k. Therefore k is equal to 1. So I have found the value for k as 1. Here are the steps. So we have found the value for k as 1. Okay, so we have found the value for k, so just substitute it in the determinant. So what do you get here? I get, therefore determinant of a is equal to x square x plus a plus b plus c. This is what I get. But now here the question is to solve. Okay, that means I have told you in the starting itself that we have to find out the value for x. So we are just going to use this. And we are going to equate this with equal to 0 because they have told you solve and they have given the determinant is equal to 0. So you are going to solve this is equal to 0. Write down. Therefore, x square into x plus a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Because I have to find out the value for x. So I put here, therefore x square is equal to 0 or x plus a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So here x square is 0. That means how many x you have here? 2x we have. So I will get here x is equal to 0 comma 0. X square, that means x is equal to 0 0. And because two answers are there. So I will take 0 0 and here I will get x is equal to minus a minus b minus c. When everything goes to the right hand side, plus a will change to minus a, plus b will change to minus b and plus c will change to minus c. So I get x is equal to minus a minus b minus c. Okay. So you can write down this as minus. I will take common. If I take minus common, I get a plus b plus c. So I have found the values for x. So I write down here. Therefore x is equal to 0 comma 0 comma minus of a plus b plus c. So this is your answer. So x is equal to 0, 0 minus of a plus b plus c. So we have found the answer. Complete the answer. Okay, have you completed, children? Now let's go for sum number 4. Take down question number 4. Show that b plus c a square, c plus a b square, a plus b c square is equal to a plus b plus c, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. show that determinant of b plus c, a square, c plus a, b square, a plus b, c square is equal to a plus b plus c into a minus b into b minus c into c minus b. No, sum number 4. Read on. You have to show this b plus c, a square, c plus a, b square, a plus b, c square. So this is what you have to show as they have given you a value here, a plus b plus c, a minus b, b minus c minus c. Okay. Let's start the sum. So now what I am going to do here is, we have a minus b is in the RHS part. So I will take this and substitute a is equal to b. What I am going to do, I am going to put a is equal to b. So if I put a is equal to b, what I get? Here no changes. Here I get b plus c. This is b. This is b square. This is c plus b. This is b. This is b square. This is 2b c square. You see here carefully. I get b plus c, b square, c plus b square, 2b c square. I have just taken the substitution from the right hand side only. It's a minus b minus c minus a. So I have taken a is equal to b. And I get b plus c. Second line you have a, so you have to replace a as b. You get b square, c plus b square, 2b c square. Okay, so now let's see here. We just see that the two rows are same. The first row is b plus c b square. The second row is also b plus c b square. Here we have two rows to be same. So the answer will be equal to 0. So you can say that R1 is identical to R2. Since we have both the rows identical, you can take down the determinant value as 0. So now what is the answer for a is equal to b? So when you substitute a is equal to b, I get the determinant as 0 because the row 1 and row 2 are identical. Okay, so what I can say here, therefore a minus b is a factor, because I have taken this from here itself. I have taken a is equal to b. So I will put a minus b is a factor. Okay, children. So from this part I get a minus b is a factor. Now what is the next substitution? I will take b is equal to c. If I take b is equal to c, I get b minus c is a factor. If I take c is equal to a, I will get c minus a is the factor. We have just shown one step enough. No need to show for the second and the third. Directly I will write down. Similarly, b minus c is a factor. C minus a is a factor. Similarly, b minus c is a factor and c minus a is a factor. So we have found all the factors now. So what was the first factor we have found? A minus b. And what is the second one we have found? B minus c. And what is the third one we have found? C minus c. out for the degrees of the leading coefficients, and also we are going to check out for the degree of the factors. Let's see the degree of the leading coefficients and degree of the factors. I'll get a step here. Degree of leading coefficients is equal to. Okay, what is the degree of the leading coefficients here? This is the leading coefficient. Okay, so this is 1, this is 1, this is 2. So 1 into 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So degree of the leading coefficients is equal to 4. Then you have to talk about the degree of product of factors. Next thing, degree of product of factors. Factors. What is the factor here? 1. Here 1, here 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. I get the degree of the product of factors as 3. So this is the degree of leading coefficient as 4. We got degree of product of factors as 3. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the value for m. How you get m? Take the difference of these two degrees. So m is equal to 1. If you get m is equal to 0, the constant is taken as k. The other factor is taken as k. If you have m is equal to 1, you have to take the other factor as k into a plus b plus c. This is the procedure. Already we have taken down this other points, remember. So we get other factor is equal to k into a plus b plus c. So we have found the degree of the leading coefficient, which is 4, and also we have found the degree of the product of factors, which is 3. So you get the difference as 1. 4 minus 3 gives you 1. So if the degree, there is a difference between the two degree is 1, you have to take the other factor as k. If the degree, that is if the difference between the two degree is 0, you have to take the other factor as k only. But now here you have to take the other factor as k into a plus b plus c. I hope you are clear with the other factor. Okay. Now let me write down the step here. So what I'll get determinant of a is equal to. Determinant of a is equal to. What is the factor? Let us the factor first. So k, a plus b plus c. Okay. Now what else we have found? We have found a minus b is a factor. So put here a minus b minus c minus a. So now what is the next step to be done? We have to just find out the value for k and we have to substitute k. And the question was to show that this determinant is equal to a plus b plus c. So see, we have found a plus b plus c, a minus b minus c minus a. That means I have to just get the value for k. So what will be the value for k here? The value for k will be 1. So if I put here 1, then I will get this answer. Okay. So now the next step is to assume the values for a, b, c, and we have to get the answer for k. Just stay on the step. K into a plus b plus c into a minus b into b minus c into c minus c. So I get determinant of a is equal to k into a plus b plus c into a minus b into b minus c into c minus c. Okay, done children. Now let me substitute the values for a, b, c. I am going to take a as 0. Right on here. So I will take out this determinant first. What is the determinant? It is b plus c, a square, a, c plus a, b square, a plus b, c square, and this is equal to k. I have to find out, just write k as it is. A plus b plus c, a minus b minus c minus c. So this is the determinant, and I have just written the right hand side. So I am going to take a as equal to 0, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 2. I will just take the old values. Do not take very big values. Easy one. They just take simple numbers so that it will be easy for calculation. So I have taken A as 0, B as 1 and C as 2. So I am just going to substitute now to see what I get. So B plus C, 3, A 0, A square 0, C plus A, 2 plus 0, 2, B 1, B square, this is 1, C is 2, C square is 4. K as it is, A plus B plus C. So 0 plus 1 plus 2, 3, A minus B. A minus B means 0 minus 1, minus 1, B minus C, 1 minus 2, minus 1, C minus A. So 2 minus 0, 2. We have to go for the determinants. So I get here 3, 4 minus 2. Minus 0 into anything, plus 0 into anything. So I get the answer fully 0. So I get here minus 0 plus 0. This is equal to K. You see here 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Plus 3 into 2, 6. So this is 3 into 2 is equal to K into 6. I get 6 is equal to 6K. Therefore K is equal to 1. I have found the answer for K as 1. Substitute the value for K. So we have just used that relation, determinant of A is equal to K into A plus B plus C, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Okay, then we have just substituted the value for A as 0, B as 1 and C as 2. When you substitute the values for A as 0, B as 1 and C as 2, we get the value for K as 1. So what is the value for K? The value for K is equal to 1. Okay, now let's substitute here once again. So I get, therefore, determinant of A is equal to A plus B plus C, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So just see here, this is what you have to show. You have to show that this part is equal to A plus B plus C, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. And you got the value for K as 1. So we are just substituting K as 1. So 1 doesn't make any difference. Okay. So just write down here 1. So you can just say here, hence, the question was to show that. So hence, show. Write down, hence, show. So we have completed our sum number 4. So we have completed the determinant A, that is A plus B plus C into A minus B, B minus C into C minus A. So we have just got our answer. So this was our sum number 4 and I want you to try out sum number 5 and sum number 6 as homework. Take down the homework questions. I'm going to complete sum number 5 and sum number 6 as homework. Okay children? Just complete sum number 5 and sum number 6. Very easy, just try out the sum. You have only 6 sums in this exercise, just practice the sums. If you practice the sums, it will be easy for you to choose the factors. Okay children? So this was our exercise 7.3 and now I am going to continue with 7.4. We'll be just doing one sum from exercise 7.4. Okay children? Just let's start with exercise 7.4. So I want you to take down the heading as exercise 7.4. Take down exercise 7.4. Copy down the first sum. Copy down the first question from 7.4. The first question is, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 0, 0, 1, 2 and 4, 3. So you have been given the vertices of the triangle and you are going to find out the area of the triangle. So the vertices are 0, 0, 1, 2 and 4, 3. So these are the given vertices. Vertices are 0, 0, 1, 2 and 4, 3. So now what you have to do? You have to find out the area of a triangle. Okay, area of the triangle is given vertices. So let's complete the next step. So you have a formula for area of a triangle. First let us write down the formula for a triangle. Area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to, okay, this is determined modulus of half. Modulus means whatever answer. If you get a positive answer, you have to take the answer as positive. If you get a negative answer, you have to take the answer as positive. Always the answer will be positive. Half of determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3. So again the modulus. So this is the modulus. This modulus shows, or this modulus tells us that the answer should be always positive, and this is the determinant. Okay, this line is called as determinant, and this is the modulus line. So what I get here, half of, I am just going to substitute the values. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So just put the value 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, and we get the answer as square roots. Okay, I will mention your square roots. So this is half of we'll go for the calculation. So first one is starting with 0, so you get the answer as 0. Again you have 0, so you get plus 1. So this is 3 minus 8. This is equal to magnitude of, or you can just mod of half. This is 1, 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So I get here minus 5. This is minus 5 by 2. So I have told you the meaning of modulus is you should get the answer as positive. If you are taking the value out of the modulus and you will get a positive answer. So I get this is equal to 5 upon 2 square unit. So we have found area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to 5 upon 2 square units. Therefore, area of a triangle is equal to 5 upon 2 square units. I hope you are clear with the formulas. What is the formula for area of a triangle? Magnitude, or you can say modulus of half of determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So you are just going to substitute the value for x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. The first element is 0, so whatever you multiply with 0, you are going to get a 0 answer. The next element is again 0, so whatever you multiply with 0, you will get 0. Last one is 1, so 1 you just leave the corresponding row and the column. And what you get here? If I leave the corresponding row and the column, I get 3 minus 8. So 3 minus 8 is minus 5, so I get minus 5 upon 2. So when I remove the value from the modulus sign, I get a positive answer. So the answer is 5 upon 2 square root, or you can just say that this is equal to 2.5 square roots. You just can have your answer. Okay, so this was our exercise 7.4 first sum, and today's homework is only that 2 sums. I have given you 2 sums. That is from exercise 7.3, you have to complete sum number 5 and sum number 6. So your homework is 5 and 6, and we have some more sums left in 7.4 which will be continued in the next class.